Okay, so I was hoping to just shorten this video by catching the last part of it brewing. So I wanted you to take a look, and you see how it just splatters on the bottom area, but look in the cup, you can see that too. So I think that's something to do with the bottom area. Maybe it doesn't have, I don't know, a proper guide so they can stop the splatter, because you can see the splatter behind the coffee mug, right? On the walls of the coffee maker. Okay. So basically it says to like let it go for like a minute or two, because it will continue to splatter, right? Until the water is gone. So I'll leave it in there, but let's just check to see the top, and maybe we can see if it is cleaner than last time. Well, as you can see, it's not. So it still splatters all over in the crevices, on the bottom, on the side. So yeah, not really sure what's going on. Okay, so there it is. I did it one more time according to their email response, which is great. They have great response time when you email them. But not sure if this is going to be for me, because now I'm going to have to clean it out again. And I need to go to work. Okay.
The machine doesn't work.